These are the historic Midland Railway tunnels. These spectacular tunnels are nestled along the Arkansas River north of Buena Vista, Colorado. They ran from Colorado Springs to Aspen, Colorado, and primarily serviced the silver industry in Leadville, Colorado. The Midland Railway ran from 1883 until 1918. There are several railway tunnels like this between Colorado Springs and Buena Vista. This particular one is still maintained as a county road in Chaffee County. This section here is where there used to be all one tunnel, but there was a collapse, and now there's kind of a hole in between the middle of two tunnels. This footage was shot using a DJI flip drone, which I highly recommend. It's a very easy drone to operate and great for beginners like me. The railroad tracks you see here were part of a competing railway, at least so I'm told, and that's the reason that the Midland Railway had to actually blast tunnels through the rock instead of build alongside the river. This is a drive-through in my Tacoma using an Asako V50 action camera. It was my first real foray into action cameras, and I wasn't too satisfied with it. The image stabilization was a little shaky. The picture's not bad, but what I really don't like is when going from light to dark in these tunnels, they really kind of washes out. You'll see here. It really shows up in these tunnels here, where you go from dark to light and then back to dark and then back to light. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Midland Railway tunnels. Thanks for watching.